In this module, we'll discuss publishing directly to a memory card as a local area network, through a web server we call Simple File Networking, or via card. Here we are at my desktop, and I'm going to start BrightAuthor. BrightAuthor will by default open to an empty schedule. In the earlier Calendar Basics module, I created and saved a schedule. I will open that, and we will publish this schedule out to my player. Because I'm going to publish directly to a memory card, I need an empty card ready to go. It's empty. It's in my machine it was labeled I. It could be labeled something else in yours, but so I have a card ready to go in drive I. I choose local storage. I browse to the card, and I choose publish. BrightAuthor will include all the project data and all the necessary assets that belong to those projects. They'll all be written to the card. It takes BrightAuthor just a moment or two to prepare because it's performing some file checks, but once those are done, it will begin to write to the card. You may remember that my project had 3 or 4 video files. It also had a small number of image files, so each of these has to be written to this card. When this last video file is written, the image files will be written, and those will be followed with some system information to complete the process. As we see, I can quit BrightAuthor. We notice that there is now data on this card. In fact, we can see that files have been written. This card should be taken as it is. I'm going to eject it and put it in my player, and the player will run those projects according to that schedule. When publishing directly to a memory card, it's that simple and straightforward.